New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northwestern Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, northern Salem County in southern New Jersey, Camden County in southern New Jersey, Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, west central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 6:15 p.m. At 5:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mullica Hill, or 11 miles southwest of Gloucester City, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Evesham, Chester, Deptford, Voorhees, Medford, West Deptford, Glassboro, Lindenwood, Hamilton, Pennsville, Belmore, Woodbury, Pittman, Clayton, Carnegie Point, Berlin, Ellesmere, Paulsboro, and Newcastle. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 1 and 3. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 11 and 23. Interstate 76 in New Jersey near mile marker 0. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 32. Atlantic City Expressway between mile markers 30 and 44. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northern Delaware, southern New Jersey, and southeastern Pennsylvania. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northern Delaware, southern New Jersey, and southeastern Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for